Octopus, squid, and cuttlefish can edit their RNA in ways that are distinct from all other organisms. RNA editing is not uncommon. We do it, lots of other organisms do it. However, in us and all other organisms, it's mostly to stop unwanted immune responses. This is because the editing is taking place in parts of their genome that does not affect encoded proteins. Where octopus, squid, and cuttlefish differ is they are editing parts of the genome that affect encoded proteins. And they're doing a lot of it. Like, there is upwards of 100,000 of these known editing sites that change the encoded amino acid. Whereas in humans, there's only about 1,000. So what does that mean? Well, it means that there is a type of adaptability within octopus, squid, and cuttlefish to change their encoded proteins in order to adapt to environmental conditions. Or at least that's what we know so far, as we've only studied this in response to changing environmental conditions, but this type of editing is happening all the time regardless. Now, there are two other meanings that you can take from RNA editing in octopus, squid, and cuttlefish. One of which being the medical applications of RNA editing. We're discovering that there are many more ways to utilize RNA in order to help and benefit human health. The way that is being worked on right now in regards to octopus, squid, and cuttlefish is in a non-addictive alternative to opiates. However, last I heard, that lab has been entirely defunded because of the funding cuts to NIH and NSF. Not a great time for us. The other meaning that I take away from this is that nature exists beyond our wildest imagination. There are countless examples of science fiction writers predicting scientific advancement. Just take Star Trek. Humans have been thinking about ways that we can do things with science that we have not yet proven an ability to do, but later on find out a way that we can actually do that. But I don't know a single sci-fi writer that thought up RNA editing. The idea that an animal is changing their RNA in order to make changes to their proteins in order to acclimate to their environment is not something that humans thought of until we found it. And I think that's so cool. I think that's so cool. That there are things that exist out in nature that we cannot even think of, that we cannot even imagine. But it's out there, existing, just waiting for us to uncover it.